friends, it's Christie with RitzyParties.com, and I'm here today to show you another fun boredom buster. I'm making a cactus plant out of rocks in a flower pot, and I can't wait to show you how. We're starting with smooth rocks that you go around your neighborhood or your garden, and you can gather these. You'll also need 2 shades of green paint, one in a darker shade and one in a lighter shade. I've used a small flower pot, and I filled it about 2/3 of the way with gravel or just junk rocks from around the yard. I've got chalk markers, some small white gravel, as well as 2 sets of Google eyes and 2 small faux flowers. So let's get started on how to create this. Thanks to the magic of video, I have pre-painted my 2 smooth rocks in the 2 shades of paint. And what I'm ready for now is to add some detail to them with the chalk markers. So using these, I'm just going to draw on some lines or some X's or some check marks, whatever you like to make it your own, right? These can be completely unique. On one, I'm doing the X's, and on one, I'm doing the lines. And so you can see these come out really cute, and they do look a lot like a cactus. But wait, there's more. We are going to use a hot glue gun to adhere some googly eyes to both of these. Give them a little personality. So there's 1 and 2. And then a smaller pair for our smaller cacti, or cactus. Okay, the next step is to grab your flower pot, and we want to add a little bit of glue just to secure these rocks and give it a nice sturdy base. Then we're going to cover the entire surface of that with the small white gravel rocks. And just kind of press those into place. And now we're going to nestle gently our little cactus friends into our gravel, like so. And then we will attach their little flowers. You can also glue these to give them a little bit more of a sturdy base as well. And it will help. Onto those flowers. And you have the cutest little rock garden in the neighborhood.